Hello and welcome to court. Today I'm going to be making a Tudor outfit for the baby. Muse and I agreed that he needed his own African wax print outfit. We found the wax print and bridal satin online and thought the whimsical palette would be perfect for him. Initially I was going to make a hat to match this look, but I ended up scrapping it since we know he wouldn't want to keep it on. I was going for a bit of a doublet feel for the top. This outfit was made with the baby in mind. So in lieu of a shift made out of African wax print, I cut strips of both fabrics and alternated them. I used the same tactics here that I used to make Muse's green dress. You can check out that video by clicking the link up top. I wanted to make sure that we could layer a sweatshirt under the top, and roll up sweatpants under his Tudor pants. There are other modifications that you will see later on. I covered modern buttons in the bridal satin. A drawstring was added to the waistband of the pants for the baby. While there are more accurate methods, like why? Dressing up is fun for the baby, so we wanted to make it a quick process. I lined all of the pieces in a standard lining fabric. This outfit required so much hand sewing. No, more than what you were thinking. Way more. Under a flap that had the buttons attached to it, there is a zipper. This just makes the top more baby-friendly. The buttons are not functional, but add a bit more of a historical look to this outfit. The arm wings and tabs are reinforced with a medium weight interfacing. Creating a poofier shape for the sleeve gives the appearance of a shift being worn under the top without adding another layer. Technically, the pants should be a little shorter on him, but I opted for a longer pair so that he could grow into the outfit. Dressed and ready to go, the baby is prepared for any adventures life may throw at him. If you were a child of royalty, what adventures or quests would you go on? Subscribe to stay up to date with all of the latest adventures and become an official member of our court. We recently launched our coffee page, which is linked in the description down below. Thank you for visiting with us today. Until next time.